Hi viewers, I'm Kalaivani from National College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, and working as an assistant professor. So today I came with a new drug, that is Crude drug. I think you all know this, right? Can you guess what it is? This is cinnamon. That is cinnamon bark. It is also called as Ceylon cinnamon, and in vernacular meaning it will be called as pattai, which is used as a condiment spices, and this is the major ingredient for the whole spice powder, and you can taste this aroma in biryani, especially if you use for the kurma, it means biryani, and this is having, so you know that how much medicinal properties are being there, and this is exported for its medicinal purpose. So cinnamon is also known as cinnamon bark, kali, dalchini, Ceylon cinnamon, etc. And its biological sources dry inner bark of shoots of opposite trees of Cinnamomum Zeylanicum or Cinnamomum verum, and it belongs to the family Lauraceae. And how to identify this with this, the macroscopical characters as color, outer surface is dull yellowish brown, inner surface is dark yellowish brown. So now order is fragrant shape compound quills. It will be used in the quills, that is, it will get rolled compound quills in the shape sizes of 1 meter length and 1 centimeter in diameter, and taste aromatic and sweet, followed by warm sensation, and the fracture is splintery. So coming to the microscopical, we will be taking the transfer section of it. This is transfer section of it, and the microscopical evaluation will be done. It will soak for 24 hours and transfer section was taken. Cork and primary cortex will be present, prominent clearing dermatitis, and stellar part, phloem fibers, cortical parenchyma, the starch grains will be present, and medullary waste, calcium oxide crystals will also be present. And this calcium oxide crystals will be in a needle shaped, a single acicular structure. That is, it is called a filigree needle. And coming to the chemical constituents part, it contains more of about 0.5 to 1% of volatile oils, 2.2% of tannins, phlobotanum, mucilage is present, calcium oxalate is present, starch is present, and mannitol is present. Due to this mannitol only, the sweetened taste will be produced, and hence due to this mannitol only, this is used as a sweetener in some of the foods. That is flavoring agent. And cinnamon oil, eugenol, benzaldehyde, cuminaldehyde, and other terpenes are also present. And it is used for the purpose of carminative and stomachic agent and mild astringent. And it is also used as I said earlier, flavoring agent due to the presence of mannitol. It gives sweet and aromatic taste, and stimulant and aromatic and antiseptic agent. It is used as an antiseptic agent too. And that's, we all know that it is a spice and condiment. It is exposed as a spice and condiment, and also it exposed for the medicinal purpose also. So how they are preparing, actually this needs of about some siliceous soil, that is clay soil or something like that, and it will be grown under the high altitude also, that is above 800 to 1000 meters above the sea level, and it needs 200 to 250 centimeters of rainfall per annum. So first the seeds are being collected and they are sown in the nursery beds with a 10 centimeter gap, and they are kept in the shelter. After the germination takes place, it again transferred to the farm where it is cultivated. And the nursery beds it will be under the June and July month, and in the farms it will be transferred near the October November month, near in the rainy season. So in the prior rainy season, it will be in the nursery beds, and after nice the harvesting will also be taken place in the rainy season only, because it will be easy to peel off the bark. The bark will be easily only in the rainy season. Hence, it is a that is a longitudinal incision was made in the tree, the bark, and about 1 meter gap there will be a transversional incision also. Then they will start to peel it off, and they will make it set, and they will ferment it for about 24 hours so that it will be softened. And they will again, after once it was fermented, that is soaked, and then when it is taken for the drying purpose, it will roll into the quills automatically. If the bark get dry, it will roll into the quills, and some of them will be very hard, which we cannot roll it as it is. That is with through hand or automatically. So it will be under the compression machine, and it will get into rolled as a quill, and then it is get to exported. So the inner part will be somewhat thinner and the outer part of the quill will be somewhat harder. And yeah, using this for the many medicines. That is the pharmacotherapeutic of the cinnamon is very new. That is, it is acting as a CNS stimulus, and it is act as a gastrointestinal means it is creating a gastrointestinal tract in a good pathway, means good thing, and it is also used as an astringent, as I said earlier, carminative, etc. So I hope today we have seen something about cinnamon, and we can see other truck in next video. Thank you.